Riwruok mar jochul osuru e pacho ka dwaro mondo mi jogo matie sekta mar nyamburko kik hiny Jokenya kod medo nengo mar wuoth kata obedo ni nengo mar mauta omedore. E twak mare gi ute fwambo giwacho ni Jokenya kale ngima matek ka gidwaro ni sirikal orang yo mar gayo pek mar ngima ne jopiny e kinde ma lweny pod dhi nyime e pinje jo-Arabu. Jatije mar riwruogno Patrick Nyangweso onyiso sirikal mondo mi orang kaka kuonde mane osefwenye mauta e pacho kaka kaunti ma Turkana kod Kakamega otigodo makare mondo mi kik piny Kenya gen mana mauta mawuok oko.
This has come at the time when most of the regions are preparing their farms, and you know how food security is really very key towards our export and also sustainability and consumption patterns. It is likely on agriculture it will have increased cost of inputs, especially fertilizer, fuel-powered irrigation, the ones who rely on this, and even farming. A reduced farming productivity, we're likely to observe this. In terms of manufacturing, the small industries may not be able to remain competitive if other precautionary measures is not put in place. As NTA, we really want to ask the government so that there should not be lack of preparedness going forward, because we have all the advisors, economic advisors, within the EPRA, we have all the planners, and they need to really focus on early warnings, because the war didn't begin yesterday. As Kenyans, we have been observing what is happening, and we are not going to control, because tomorrow another country can decide to go to war with another country.